Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to drop a pin on maps in Facebook Messenger. So if you want to send your location to someone on your Facebook Messenger and you want to drop a pin on the location on the maps, then here's a video for you. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to drop a pin on location on Facebook Messenger, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Messenger app. Select the person you want to send your location to. Click on the plus icon at the bottom left. Select location. Turn on your location. Allow from the pop. Now for you to drop a pin on the location, what you need to do is come here, click on find the place or address, and then search the place on the maps. So let's say airport. Once you send the location just like this, then the next thing also click on drop pin. Then you should see a pin dropped on the location. Then go ahead and click on send the location. Or better still, select the location like this. Now you should see the pin dropped on the location. You see that? So that is basically how to drop a pin on location on Facebook Messenger. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.